I just go section to section and I'm here with it. I'm here with it. Hey y'all, it's Neesh. So I want to show how I brush my locks. You say brush your locks, what? So the first time I saw someone brushing their locks, I was very confused. I was like, I didn't know people did that. So this is before I had lock extensions myself, but I started seeing more videos about people brushing their locks as I was doing more research about locks in general and lock extensions in particular. And they were like, they use it mainly to, they say that it can help with frizz, it can help with the health of your locks because you can get that oil, the sebum down your lock, and also it helps with lint. And that's mainly what I'm using it for, because although I have lock extensions, they are behaving like locks in a lot of ways, and I know lint is a problem for locked ladies and gents. So I was like, I'm gonna try this out. So what I did was I borrowed my husband's brush. He has a board bristle brush. It's pretty soft. He's had it for a long time. He doesn't use it. He has no hair on his head. He's bald, completely bald, and he has a beard. He doesn't use this for his beard. So I'm like, I'm gonna take this. You don't use this. So I cleaned it. I did a whole ACV on it, let it soak, and then I went to town, and now it's nice and clean. And this is literally what I do. So in the mornings, it's not every single day, but I do it. I'll separate my hair at a point, and then I start from the top, and I just do like this. And especially the ends. That's where I get lint at the most, is my ends. So, and then I go underneath. And of course you can go in between each little section if you so choose. I don't do that, but yeah, usually I'll be in the mirror so I can really see where the lint is. And I will say it does work. It definitely works. They say it's not recommended to do this if you have starter locks because, you know, your hair is not locked up yet. So you have to be careful with that. Or you can start, if your hair is maturing, you can start lower. Like you don't have to start at your roots. You can start like down here instead. But yeah, that's what I do. I just go section to section and I'm here with it. I'm here with it. And then I get these ends extra good. But yeah, I really do feel like it helps. And I do feel like I've gotten lint out doing this because yeah, lint is a hell of a drug. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just go through and I'm here with it. I'm here with it. So yeah, it seems kind of weird. I know some people don't do this with their locks, and they say you shouldn't do this with your locks. But hey, if people with natural grown locks do it, then I feel like I could do it, and I got lock extensions. Why not? You know, my lock extensions are mimicking a mature lock, so I feel like it's safe. But yeah, this is what I do. I will say I did find some lint in the back of my hair, but it is from it's at the root area, and I don't think I could get that out with a brush. I tried with different tools and nothing came out. I'm kind of sad about it. But it's okay. I will be all right. I will be coloring my hair soon, so that will color the lint at least. It will color the lint, so it'll act like it's not there. I just pretend it's not there, even though it's still there. But besides that, I don't really have a lot of lint on the ends of my hair or like on the shaft. But yeah, I definitely have a lock back here that has lint at the root and over here as well. I'm probably gonna have my husband go through all my locks and tell me, because he found the one on this side. I can't see it, of course, but he found this one. I saw this one when my hair was up. I was like, why? But yeah, so highly recommend this lock brushing thing. If you don't do it, you should start. I'm kidding. But no, what do you feel about lock brushing? Did you know about this before you saw this video? Because I sure didn't know about this till I saw someone doing it. I was like, wow. And then I talked to my sister who has locks, and she's like, yeah, I brush my locks sometimes. I was like, really? I didn't know. It actually feels good. Like, but yeah, the person whose video I first saw doing it, she wasn't even doing it for lint purposes. She was actually doing it it was like how to reduce frizz in your locks and have your locks look straight, basically. And one of her things was she used a brush. And people's like, not that brush though in the comments, but I'm like, okay, this is intriguing. So that's about it. Like I said, soft board brush or brush, very soft. Got to be soft. It can't be, one of them really hard ones because I'm sure that could cause problems. But yeah, this is all I use. I love it. But yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.